That's the Jeep. The Jeep just got rocked by a little bitty, I don't know, Acura something. So anyways, I'll get y'all an update soon. Pretty shitty day so far. Sorry, I don't normally cuss on my YouTube channel, but yeah, and the light was green and dude just run the red light. So I'll get back to y'all. Yeah, that sucks. Wondering is why is JT Recovery Service hooking that kind of truck up to, I don't have a front tire. You know, what is he doing? Hooking that on my A-arms? That's not cool because, you know, I believe that can do more damage than yeah. Dude's a dumbass, in my opinion. There she is. Oh, dang. That can't be good. That will bent the hell out of everything. Yep, this mounted like that. 3M couldn't even hold it. It chargers. Oh, my cards are everywhere.
Hate that sound.
Mm-hmm.
Can't help it.
I guess this is just saying the police searched my car, huh? I'm a criminal.
It's like it. I thought maybe when I first saw it, it hadn't been impounded or anything. They didn't impound it.
They didn't?
No, I'm asking you.
I don't think so.
Or you'd be having to pay.
Yeah. They didn't impound this, did they?
No, they do an inventory slip on everything.
Okay.
That's all it is.
That's what I thought. I was just like, damn. I know I got a record, but still.
No, it's not a true impound.
Okay.
You don't know it's true impound. You look at it.
Yeah, well, I was like, that's what happened last time. Hell, I got guns drawn, everything.
I got to photograph all the components.
Oh,
It's probably going to total.
Yeah, I was like, this wouldn't, I moved that.
To be honest with you.
Ooh, let me get that out of the way.
New tires on this thing,
Yeah.
almost.
Not even 2 months ago. God. Hey, you can tell how hard this kid hit me right here.